All right, in this video, we're going to be checking out this digital hearing amplifier hearing aid. This is a behind-the-ear hearing aid. Provides stable and clear voice. It is wearable with both ears, and it's able to distinguish sound sources. It's got a super long battery life. It's got smart noise cancellation. It fits in both right or left ears, or you can wear it in both ears, and it's got a new generational digital chip in it. So pretty cool hearing aid here. So just take it out of the box and show you what all you get here. So the first thing you're going to see is the user manual. It's going to go into more detail, and then you've also got this quick instruction operation. This is just for quick setup, getting it out of the box and getting it in set up. So you'll see here, you get this, and this looks like your traditional or earbuds. It's got a USB-C charging base here on the side, and then you open this up here, and you'll see you've got your two earpieces in here, clearly labeled with an L and an R. So that's that. And in addition to that, you also get this charging cable comes with it with the USB-A to USB-C. You get extra earpieces, so depending on the fit of your ear hole, there's two different ones here, and I've got one already on here. I was messing around with this a little bit earlier, so that's that. You also get two extra earpieces, so I'll just take one of these out and show you here. So we'll grab the left one here. So this is what the left ear looks like. If you want to, you can actually pop this piece off right here and replace that. So if this one gets clogged, whatever, gets dirty, and you want to replace that, you just come in here and find the one. The blue is for the left ear, and the red is for the right ear. And on here, there's a blue, so you'll know blue goes with blue, and blue is on the left ear, and red goes with red, and that goes on the right ear. So easy to remember, red R. So it also comes with this little cleaning device here, so you're able to get in here and clean this up a little bit. And then it has this long piece right here, and what you're going to be able to do with that is you're going to be able to go in through here, and if it does get something stuck in here or blocked in here, you can easily clean that out with this piece right here. So that's going to feed through that tunnel there. Once you take this off of here, you're able to clean this out. So if you have any issues with it not working because of cleanliness, you can definitely do that. So the way that this works is, so this is my left ear, and the way that they recommend is to use your pointer and your thumb, and you're going to put this directly into your ear. And then once that's in your ear securely, you're going to go behind the ear with the other piece here. So that's that one. And then I'll show you on here, since I didn't show you this on the last one, you've got 3 different modes to choose from with the mode button, and then you've got a volume button. So if it's too loud in the room, you can turn this down, or if you need to hear better, you can turn it up. So that's your volume function. I'll get this one put in as well. Show you here. So I've got them in, and you can hear, obviously everything's kind of amplified. I do have a TV on in the other room, which I have on very low. With these in, I can actually pick that up a little bit. So that's pretty cool. I can also hear myself very well, but kind of show you in addition to, so this is how it runs. On here, you do have your volume up and down buttons, and you've got your mode button, so you can switch to the different modes. Just to tell you more about the modes, this instruction manual does come in a variety of different languages, so you're going to want to find your language, and it tells you use of the buttons, what the mode key does. Short press the mode button to switch listening modes, long press it to turn the hearing aids on and off. Again, your volume up and down. It tells you how to replace the ear hooks on here. So if I was telling you about, you've got the extra ones in here if you need to replace them, it tells you how to do that. It tells you about charging. And then we're going to go over here, and on here it's got introduction to charging, unclogging the sound guide tube. So all of that is going to be here in this instruction manual, and in the user manual, it kind of tells you a little bit more about, let's see here. So performance, hearing aid switch, mode selection. So basically normal mode, noise reduction mode is going to be your second one. Meeting mode is going to be your third one, and then outdoor mode. So obviously outdoor mode is probably going to assist you with hearing a lot of wind and noise like that, outside noise. Meeting mode is probably going to be turned up a little bit. Noise reduction mode is probably, if you're in a loud room, a lot going on, you want to reduce the noise, you put that on mode 2. And then just normal everyday mode is going to be your mode 1. So that's probably what you're going to want it on most times, unless you're in one of those other special situations. So very impressed with these. I can hear so much going on right now. I don't think that I have problems hearing. I don't think that I have any issues with hearing. Once you put these in and you're able to hear everything going on in the area, everything going on in the room, it makes a big difference. So even if you don't have hearing issues, you might want to check these out and maybe learn a little bit more about what you're missing out on in the room. So looking for some digital hearing amplifier hearing aids, I would definitely recommend checking these out.